Hey y'all, let's get into a healthy snack that's easy to grab on busy days. Today, we're making no-bake protein bites that fit perfectly into a balanced bento box. These bites are great for moms-to-be and breastfeeding moms because they're full of nutrients your body needs. And the best part, no oven is needed. So, let's get started. First, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and dry with a paper towel. In a large bowl, stir together the rolled oats and cinnamon. Oats are grains, and we know grains provide fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Next, add the peanut butter or any nut butter you like, honey, vanilla extract, and milk powder. Stir until well combined. Peanut butter and milk powder add protein. Protein helps support your baby's growth and keeps you energetic throughout the day. Now, slowly add water or milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. Use a spoon to mix everything together. If it's too dry, add a little more liquid, but not too much, or it won't hold its shape. The consistency should look like this. Then, add the raisins. You can use other kinds of dried fruit if you prefer. Raisins provide a natural sweetness and add iron and fiber. Iron carries oxygen throughout your body and to your baby. During pregnancy, your body needs more of it, so this is an easy and nutritious way to boost it. Use a tablespoon to evenly measure the amount for each bite. Then, roll into a small ball. Place them on a cookie sheet about 2 inches apart. This recipe makes about 20 bites. Now, put them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Keep them in the fridge until you're ready to enjoy. You can cut this recipe in half for fewer bites or double for more. They'll stay fresh in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Now, let's build our bento box. Add the protein bites, cucumbers, carrots, peppers, or other veggies. You can do the same with the fruit by adding what you like. Lastly, add a serving of yogurt or cheese for calcium and extra protein. This snack is loaded with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all in one box. It's easy to make ahead of time and helpful during pregnancy and breastfeeding when your appetite comes and goes. You can find the full recipe at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. And don't forget to follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more easy and nutritious meals. So, come on, let's build a healthy snack.